Welcome to our channel Learn English. In today's video, we'll correct 5 common English mistakes that most learners make. Watch till the end and improve your English fluency. Mistake 1. I have a good news for you. I have good news for you. We don't say a good news. News is uncountable. So the correct sentence is, I have good news for you. Mistake 2. He is Daniel in judgment. He is a Daniel in judgment. We say a Daniel in judgment because it's a reference. Daniel is used like a title here, so a is needed. Mistake 3. There is no place in the hall. There is no room in the hall. When we talk about space, we use a room, not place. So, there is no room in the hall. Mistake 4. It was tough decision to make. It was a tough decision to make. You need a before tough decision. It's a countable noun. So, a tough decision. Mistake 5. A little spark kindles great fire. A little spark kindles a great fire. Fire is a countable noun. Correct sentence is, a little spark kindles a great fire.